Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Master Tech. Today I'm back with another video. This video is about 50 useful Samsung S24 Ultra tips. So I will be dividing this into a few different parts, and today is the part 1. So I will start with the basic tips and then I will go on to some advanced features. So if you want to know all the 50 tips, make sure you give me a subscribe. So when my new video is released, you can always will be the first one to watch and know all the 50 different tips I'm going to share with you. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get to the points. For the first point I'm going to show you is a basic tip. You all know that this is a portrait mode is for you to turn on the auto rotate screen or to turn on the landscape mode. But if you press on it longer, then it shows you a new menu. It gives you a few more options for you to choose from. For example, you want to turn your home screen to landscape mode on automatically, lock screen, voice call screen, and show rotate button on navigation. The second tip I'm going to share with you all is called Pin app. What this does is, for example, if you click on the icon of the app and then it will show up pin this app, you click on it, then this app will stay open. And if you want to land your phone to someone for some reasons and you are afraid that they will be checking out your private details, then you can use this function. For example, if they want to just scroll down your Instagram feed, then you can just pin this app, and then if they have to unpin it, then it will be required for them to enter the pin. So it is really safe for you to use. But this function is not always on. You need to go to the settings and drag down to security and privacy, and you need to drag it a little bit down and you see more security settings. So you drag all the way down and then you will see pin this app. This function is not on automatically. You need to turn it on, but I think it's a really good feature if you are afraid someone might look into your private details. Okay, the third feature I'm going to share with you is regarding Wi-Fi. So you press long on the Wi-Fi and then go to details. Then you click on these 3 dots and click on intelligent Wi-Fi. Okay, the first function I'm going to share with you is this one, which automatically turn on Wi-Fi or turn it on and off at different locations. You click on it and then you can set which of the Wi-Fi hotspots you want them to turn it on automatically or turn off automatically. Another feature is really cool one. You need to click on intelligent Wi-Fi 7 times like this, and then another option will be showing up here which is called Connectivity Labs. You click on it and then it gives you an overview of how long you've been using the Wi-Fi hotspot for whichever it is connected to. For example, I'm connected to this hotspot which is called Tenda, and then you can see I've been using it for 12 hours and 23 minutes. This is my home Wi-Fi, by the way, and also it gives you some other features as well. So I think it's a really good feature for you all to check it out. Okay, another feature I'm going to talk about in this video is regarding the dual messenger. You need to go to the settings and drag all the way down where you will find advanced features, and then you drag down a little bit and then you will see dual messengers. Okay, what this does is it gives you another WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or Messenger. It will install it automatically, and then you will be able to use 2 WhatsApp with different numbers on your one device. Okay, for example, I click on WhatsApp and then it will ask you that do you want to use another WhatsApp number to install another WhatsApp on your device. If I press on install, then it will install another WhatsApp on my device. So I will be able to use 2 WhatsApp numbers on my single device, which is really useful if you have different numbers and you want to divide your work and personal numbers into different parts. I think it's a really good and useful feature. Same goes for the Facebook and Telegram and Messenger. Previously this function was only provided by third-party apps, but now Samsung has integrated into One UI 6. Okay, moving on to another tip which is really good as well. You need to go to the settings again and then drag all the way down to advanced feature as well, then you will see option for you to configure your side button. Okay, you can see there are two options for you to choose from. One is double press, and I have set it to quick launching the camera, but you can also set it to quick launch the Samsung wallet or open any app with your double click. But on the press and hold, it will show me a power off menu, but usually when you get the new device, it is not set to power off menu. Mostly it says to wake Bixby up. So what you need to do is you need to go to the settings, and on your side button you need to change the setting in order for you to turn off your device with the power off menu. Okay, the next tip is also in the settings. You need to go back to the setting and drag all the way down and go to advanced features again, and then you will see something called motions and gestures. You click on it, and the tip I'm going to share you to is about how to turn on your screen and turn off screen without touching your power off menu. You can just turn on these two options, which is you double tap on any blank space on your screen and it will turn on, and if you do the same, then it will turn off as well. So it have some other functions here. You can always go and check these functions out. And one more cool feature is alert when phone picked up. So if you have any missed call or missed messages and you were away from your phone, so once you come back and pick it up, then it will vibrate and alert you that there is a message or a call which you have missed recently. Okay, another tip is also in the quick panel. You click on sound, long press it, and then it will show you to the menu. What I'm going to share with you is about the mute function. So if you click on mute, and then another option shows up here, which is called temporary mute. If you turn this on, then you can choose for how long you're going to mute your phone for. For example, if you want it for mute for 1 hour and then turn back to sound, then you can just click on 1 hour. But also you can also choose your own timing here, which is really neat and a very good function if you always forget to turn on the sound and miss calls from your family. So make sure you use this function, and it is really effective. Okay, moving on to another tip is again in the settings app, and you drag it down to display and drag all the way down, and you will find something called as navigation bar. As you can see, I'm not using the buttons which will take up your space at the bottom of your screen. I'm using the swipe gestures. It is really useful if you want to make good use of your full screen of the Samsung S24 Ultra. You can go to the more options as well, and also you can hide this gesture hint, which usually is like this. It show a bar at the bottom of your screen, but I don't want it to be showing because I want to make full use of the screen, so I turned it off. And now you can see the screen looks much cleaner, and it looks much bigger for you to use your whole screen of the phone. And it's really cool when you're watching something on your device. Really neat feature once again.